How we can ensure the safety of ammunition depots with the help of GIS. Curious? Introducing MapOG. Here's the final output. Let's zoom in and take a closer look. The central point represents our ammunition depot, and we've generated 4 distinct buffer zones around it, each indicating different risk levels. The high-risk zone is marked in red, the moderate-risk zone is marked in yellow, the low-risk zone is marked in green, and the minimal-risk zone is marked in sky blue. Additionally, we have strategically placed a portable fire station within the moderate-risk zone to ensure rapid response in the event of an emergency. Now, let's walk through the process. Start by opening the MapOG Map Analysis interface. Go to Create Data first and select Create Point Data. Give your layer a suitable name and save it. Now click the Drop Point option and place a point at the location of the ammunition depot. Add your point. Now go to Edit Map Name and give a suitable to the untitled map. Now let's do the styling. Go to Save Style, then choose Basic Style, and select an icon. Customize the sizes colors as per your choice. Then click Save Style. After that, navigate to Process Data and choose Buffer Zone. Select your layer and set the ranges for the buffer zones and submit. Repeat this process. Create 4 buffer zones ranges 1000 meters, 2000 meters, 3000 meters, and 5000 meters. Now use the Action button to rename each buffer layer according to the risk level, high, moderate, low, and minimal. Then, go to Style Data again, select Basic Style, and change the colors for each buffer layer. Save the styles after setting the color. Determine that moderate risk zone is the most strategic location for placing a fire station within the buffer zones to ensure a quick emergency response. We strategically placed a point for that. Go to Create Data, select Create Point Data. After giving the layer name, plot the where you want through Drop Point option. After plotting the point, from Basic Style change the icon as per your choice. For getting a more interactive map, we organize layer through group feature. Click Group option, then select the layer and give the group name. By following these steps, we've successfully created a comprehensive safety buffer zone analysis around our ammunition depot. This analysis is beneficial for the defense industry, local government agencies, and emergency response teams. By using this map, they can assess and mitigate risks around ammunition storage areas, plan for rapid emergency response, enhance overall safety and preparedness. Thanks for watching. Let's explore MapOG today for more possibilities. For further queries, connect us at support@mapog.com.